Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the slope of a tangent line is super fast when you use implicit differentiation. We will solve this equation and find the answer quickly. First, we take the derivative of every term with respect to x. The derivative of 3x is 3, while the derivative of y squared becomes 2y times dy dx. Next, we differentiate negative 6y to get negative 6 dy dx. Now we group all the dy dx terms together on one side so we can isolate the derivative term. Substitute y equals 4 into the new equation. This calculation gives 3 over 14, meaning option D is the final answer. Well done! Scan now, watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps to ensure your calculus is always correct and accurate.